Siapa? Kiki Reki. Kalian tahu nggak sih? Kan kayak you know that I saw Kiara senpai tweet after I finished my debut, and that she said she wanna buy me a horse and violin. Arigatou. Aku makin cinta sama Kiara senpai.
She wants the horse.
Kiki Reki. Ureshi ketika kamu punya Oshi dan Oshi kamu tuh mau kayak jadi sugar mommy? How to say
Sugar mommy? We're back to mommy again.
Ya maksudnya pokoknya ya gitulah pokoknya. Ya gitu. Jadi kayak ureshi. Watashi no kokoro adami. Gitu.
What did you think of the new girl, the cute blue new girl Kobo? I'm in love. Like, I want to protect that girl. I want to protect her. She is so cute. She said you are her Oshi. Oh, don't lie. No way. Did she really say that? Oh, she said I'm her sugar mommy. Like the moment, oh my god, like her voice is like legit, like not like a lolly voice, it's like a child. And it's just so genuinely a child that I need to protect. And I need to be her mommy. Yeah, no, Lami senpai was also saying, oh, protect, but now she's mine. She's mine. A child excitedly yelling for her mama and papa. I was like, yes. I guess I'm your mommy now. Yesterday, me and Kobo DM'd a little bit, and I must unfortunately announce that she does have kusogaki tendencies after all. Hello. Kobo is here. Hello, Kobo-chan. Stop. What did Kobo-chan say? Oi! Kobo! Kusogaki! Called me chicken again. I told you guys she has kusogaki tendencies after all. Kobo! Kobo! Don't call your mommy chicken! Bad Kobo! Bad Kobo! Just mommy, or just senpai, or just Kiwawa, or something like that. Or Empress Phoenix. Want some of this, huh? Kobo-chan! You're gonna get your butt spanked if you continue calling me Chimkin. You hear that? What did Kobo say this time? Huh? Nice one. Kobo-chan? You little sneaky kid. I think you and me, we're gonna have a fun activity after the stream. Mommy's gonna take you to Disneyland. But in reality, it's the usual room. But it's just as fun, trust me. Trust me. Kobo-chan, you don't even have to ask this question, because you only have one mama then anyway. If you want two mamas, then you better stop calling me Chimkin. More mama, more horse. Yeah, and if you want more horse, then you need more mama. And if you want more mama, then you stop calling me chicken. Yes. Kobo-chan also, when we were DMing, she said, yeah, let's collabo. Oh, there we go! She said, girl, good girl, Mama Phoenix. Okay. I give you a Minecraft EN server tour. And someone needs to introduce you to the EN server. And I think it should be your mommy. Don't you dare get a different EN mommy. Okay. I wonder if the new ID girls wanna play Minecraft. You never played Minecraft before? Oh my had my first Minecraft experience after joining Hololive. We're gonna make you a pro. We'll go on trips together. I'll get you a horse in Minecraft. We can ride it down the Minecraft beach. Yeah, look at the beautiful Minecraft sunset. Yeah, sounds beautiful. It's a date, a promise. Okay. Yakusoku. Yeah. Not circles, no.